punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomenteranibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwe traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Najua mimi watagomana nyumbani.
Sawa, subiri.
Niache subiri tena.
Wewe ndio umesababisha yote haya. Hebu subiri.
Unafanya ukimbilia kwa kitu gani?
Wewe
na utaratibu kule.
Wangu na wewe mbona unaita? Tulia basi mke wangu.
Wewe umekimbia mpumbavu mkubwa. Wewe kama mwanamke unajiamini kwa nini umekimbia? Na wewe wakunifanya hivyo mimi wewe kweli? Kabisa?
Nisamee kwa hiyo. Subiri kwanza. Nikuelezee ukweli.
Unieleza nini? Nakuuliza unieleza nini? Unieleza nini? Sijui mimi nimekoma. Unieleza
nini? Life got better.
Muligereria tugusaba kwa bere senganjo twanyorirwa kego cha Ekeonga Chinsa Inye kurende wanaiga ne Ekeonga Chinsa Inye amangana maya senchira yoboikirano je ni gongoro kwaro ni Ototo nyangiriri tukulia lero ni area Easter Sunday idukamanya katego seri tuko lia Jumapili chitariki 20 omutinyo kanu mwaka wechirwera na 2025 na Ekeonga Chinsa Inye ni gotogo chaka nengwana yomulikyo monne gwekiama kya Kenya National Union of Teachers Collins oyu oyonyara kabaga koboria buna abana siasa namono abajumbe bebwatokanie korwa ase obokorere bwekembe kia Teacher Service Commission nabayigo aso okolikwa kwa balimu.
Employment of teachers in this republic is causing a lot of concern in the circles of Kenya National Union of Teachers. It is true and it is within the knowledge of every other knowledgeable citizen in this country that Teacher Service Commission is an independent commission by law and is a commission that has mandate. One of the mandate of Teacher Service Commission is to recruit teachers to the teaching service. I don't want to talk about the rest, but because this is what you brought up as a question. It is at an alarming rate. The Teacher Service Commission, to some level, has abdicated its role and co-function of employment of teachers. Never in the history of Teacher Service Commission that we saw what is happening now. TSC should be ready to work and operate within its mandate. And the mandate in this question is recruitment of teachers. Recruitment here, I mean employment of teachers. What has been happening is a shock. I know that to some extent, TSC would actually come forward to the leadership of this country, because we also have executive powers. We cannot object the executive powers of the president of this country to employ teachers. We want to thank him. He can do it. But the manner in which these forms are distributed by some politicians leaves a lot to be desired. Yes, you can assist through Teacher Service Commission, but you must be fair and human. The idea of picking on a teacher who completed college in 2023 and leaving out one who completed teacher training college in 2010 leaves more questions than answers. And as a union,
na boigo umurikio munene w'ikiombe kia abateresa gose nurses kama na Kenya National Union of Nurses Seth Panyako niganyaka bwa kubole bune kiombe gia ipisi kinyaka bwa korosi bwa sobwango eli kinyaka bwa kwa neki abuna obachole bokengo kodera kabole as chinsemo ao ichitabwa tiabo wa krishi wa mono chibunge chibunge igatie chibunge chi county na boigo chi ward chiri chenye ko bachigo siria abachumbe babo na aba MCA na boigo omo senator abuna bone senate gose county ya Baringo atanya ko bakubona okopera igegetambe batabwa tebo wakrishi nigo gikundiria obone bwabo.
Member of parliament we have are not honorable. 3 years got member of parliament. Look, for us it's just a few months, but we have Kenyans who have not had a member of parliament for more than 3 years, and that is not right, because that is infringement of the constitutional rights of these constituencies. In fact, parliament is running illegally and unconstitutionally, having more than 3 years. Some constituencies not having members of parliament. So those members, those constituencies deserve to have a member of parliament. And you cannot have a member of parliament when IEBC is not constituted. The only thing I can say is that is to urge those who have been given the responsibility to interview the IEBC commissioner, the chairs, to do it with a lot of consideration that they are holding that high responsibility given to them on behalf of Kenyans. They must do it with the integrity, they must do it with the transparency, and they must ensure that the Kenyan people have confidence on those who will emerge victorious during this process. We do not want a system where every time we do elections, people kill each other, elections are rigged, those who do not make it go to parliament, and those who make it stay home like myself. I have been rigged out twice. It is shameful, very shameful. We want those who are elected to go to parliament. Those who are not elected, stay at home. But now when you have a system where you have those who have not been elected going to parliament and those who have been elected remaining at home, then you can see the kind of decisions that our parliament makes. It makes decisions to certify those who have helped them to go to parliament illegally. And they are not even honorable. They are dishonorable. Because if you stole an election, how can you be honorable? A honorable person is a person who has been given the honor by the people. If the people denied you that honor and you stole yourself, how can you call yourself honorable?
Mwanju muligelio muraigwense musikuri ya Samuel Ruto nigachaka etaro ya bena chinsemo chiechi county ya Kajiado county ya Narok na boye county elia ya sara chikonya kago talaji county ao echireme jensemelie mayitabna ma communities asiri kole ranya kago ika au grana sekansa ya mo imechinzemo chanturere ase county ya Narok muraigwense niganya kago kwaneke buna inse ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza eyu romanyana kura ngara chikwane kuno bokurumingo siri gwa bolepi asengencho nagente kubeka emirobeli ao nebitambogero ao byo kwane kemna obukurumi ngorwane gubole nebire esebire ngobego
are made available to us by the people of Kenya through their taxes must be spent in a transparent, accountable manner. Na ndio sababu in my address to the nation I made 2 commitments. I said, number 1, all procurement beginning April this year, are going to be undertaken on an e-platform. We are going to have e-procurement so that there is transparency in the procurement of public services and public programs, so that we know that we have gotten the best price, the most competitive price, to the best person, and we know who it is. I'm happy to say that e-procurement that we have been waiting for years has started this April, as I committed. Number 2, nilisema ili kuondoa mambo ya ufisadi ambayo sehemu kubwa inachangiwa na interests ya wale watu wako na uwezo, viongozi ambao wako na uwezo. Tukasema tutapitisha sheria ambayo inaitwa Conflict of Interest Law. Na niliahidi bunge wakati huo ya kwamba wasipopitisha sheria ambayo inalingana na vile tulikubaliana na Wakenya, sheria ambayo itakomesha mambo ya ufisadi na mambo ya ubinafsi na mambo ya watu kutumia ofisi za serikali kujinufaisha wao wenyewe, familia zao na marafiki zao. Niliwaeleza wakati huo, msipopitisha hiyo sheria, mimi nitaweka veto ya hiyo sheria mpaka nipitishe sheria ambayo itakomesha ufisadi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Nimefanya hivyo juzi, na kwa wiki 3 zijazo bunge lazima ipitishe sheria vile nimependekeza, ndio tuweze kukomesha mambo ya ubinafsi katika procurement na utendakazi.
Na omo bishop we diocese ya Mombasa Martin Kifufa diga mochire muraibuense kubata kama itara berega gukora guchinse chesiko asuboigo anyalika baga komochia amakabeso amange ayuense ya Kenya ebugate oigo niga anyalika baga koerera muna nigo ya Kenya ebuente koligereria buya enchira egotumeka chibesa omo bishop oyo niga gukwana tituko ara emisa ye Pasaka ase diocese ya Mombasa.
Na nchi nyinginezo nje ya Kenya, deni, what we call the national debt, inasemekana imepita kipimo. So ni kama wewe una deni na huku naendelea kukopa kwa jirani, kwa banki hii na benki ile, unaongeza uzito kwa wale unaoishi nao, na hasa Mkenya anayetozwa ushuru, kwa sababu hayo ni lazima yalipike. Na hili ni onyo ameongeleshwa na watu wengi, na yeye amesema, naamini anasema kwamba I know what I'm doing. The challenge is, mzigo huu utamlemea nani baadaye? Mzigo huu utaleta anayechukua hatamu mwishoni atafanyani na hizi tuite mikopo ambayo imezidi kipimo. So ametahadharishwa mara nyingi, na anajua yeye mwenyewe, naamini anaamini hivyo, kwamba amesikia hilo na ameamua aliloamua. So letu ni kusema tusiwe na kusema hajui, kuambiwa ameshirikishwa na watu mbalimbali hata nchi za nje. So ni tukae chonjo, tukae tumejipanga, na sisi tusiwe tukazama.
Nigo yaba moko monego chese abatiotereri na mashabiki ya timu ya Shabana tituko ya Nyaraka bage goikoro usinga ya Nyaraka bage goikoro timu ya Atalanta chigoli Inye asebere me yomochie o Nairobi abateneri be timu eyo nabo ga mashabiki nigo banyaraka bakoboria timu yuko sirwa mono abanene mono chinga kiekabwate engoyo ngati ya mone timu ya Gor Mahia chitariki isato chiomo tienyi ogocha
Nisa no ndule yuko na maana mala temi abantu wako mayana fans ne federation Shabana is there to protect them. Kene ngio kekale keberusi. Kiwacha atobwe usitomo. Because aswa watu habitisha mana wao tuambelanga Ngange geti keri ke kuria abantu 60 yawacho gotika secretary yakwana tukurira.
Okay, ritangani kukoiraniria abagosori baito na technical page nambia muno isera asa korere. I think kwenye tuwabairo toko ya kuera ngora mpaka muna tuiteire iga tuwarori na bono tuiteire watu mupiro hiwele. Yo nkoiraniria mashabiki aito nambia muno siri chachire ndandora asobunge muno. Tuworokirie bichire tofauti and I think kero muntu na Shabana kari timu ora chechereri ne timu ya Gwene ile timu ya Isane igo bono togotena kogendera gochimotu tukagerete na togendera go koribia mono sana 1992 no tore se bracket ya still yo kurwanerega ko utoma etena game ya itenta ekobwa ketogo cha gwaka na Nairobi City Stars ile weekend Jumamosi wiki moja tora akiresiga tikia Machakos ninde no kwegero na ndende ko basaba mashabiki aitacha so bonge eto cha kobono kuyerera ni so mupiro karo monene titakisa esege tikia Kisii stadium turaje komira ne timu ya Gor Mahia igo ntogane tia matokea maya kuru Machakos keratogo cha gwaka ne timu ya City Stars eto momentum yogo chugwa kabono ne timu ya Gor Mahia titakisa esege tikia Kisii stadium.
Number one no washukuru the fans etime tomorosi aberu ya Shabana is doing very well. Vijana vetomire na wana tuachi that we are playing a team talented in Segaria in a very suicidal egoruana tebua lakini vijana wamejitolea na kero monto hapa kusema mtaba kwa Kenya ingine ba support Shabana mwarore the good work Shabana is doing yaendelea ku support Shabana and monyironga tarehe 3 na watu kusina Gor Mahia Football Club.
Maybe you are called to the Omo Gusia as a whole.
Yeah, not over and Gusia as a whole. Inga that day, tarehe 3, but okay, in large numbers to support the team because this is the time to kuonesha mbivu na mbichi.
Mwacho murigalia no kwenye timu ya Shabana bwana ni kwenye ngapi point sasa kwa wasegetie kegea Dandora Stadium kwa timu ya Nairobi yema gayo kwa timu ya FC Talanta chigolinye asiti golibera segetie kega nonye nabono kwenye unani kwa timu ya Nairobi ya anamo asegetie kega Shabana ila roba koni kasi ya watendelebe timu ina wataba unani kwa ya ngani kwa ikirami kwa neke kuna timu ya Gor Mahia kutinga kira Kisii nigera RSS ya Kemini nonye nabono kwa bali banya kwa kuona kwa rudiga ikana kwa kira ngambia muno eko wajia batuko ya fans timu ya Shabana kwa sasa ni kwa tinga tuone timu ya Shabana ya Torres point yemero enenaisa kwa magayo kwa kwa ya leo ripoti ya Getembe Television Network kwa rudiga ya Dandora Stadium kwa Pius okemwabio.
Mwancho muligere liko ikirabu na tokolere Ekeonga Chinsa Inye tukeligali ya lero ya Jumapili bali mutaranya kwa mogotenga happy Easter nigongo bate happy Easter soko kolera jeri gongoro kwaro ni Ototo nyangiri korwase transmission ga korwa vira kariri amagana yeji camera ni galenge Wilfred Matundura twara otukobya.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na wigo yao enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Uhuru na bwata.